Now we ask the top-ranked semi-analyst Stacy Rasgon of Bernstein what to do with shares now as you see them plunging in overtime. Stace, welcome back. It's nice to see you. Your reaction, you're smiling. I can't believe you're smiling because of these results.
Ouch. Yeah, there's people knew it was going to be bad. I mean, the company has been publicly sort of talking down numbers, but I don't think people thought it was going to be this bad. This is an ugly, ugly print. PCs are weak. We knew that, but I'd say in their numbers, it's much worse than I think people would have thought, given even the weakness we're seeing in that market. My guess is they're probably dealing with channel inventories as well as weak demand. Data center looks absolutely horrendous, and this is the thing that's really getting me beyond just PCs are weak. Data center revenues were down 16% year over year. They missed consensus by like $1.5 billion. The operating profit in data center was down 90% year over year. It printed a 5% operating margin. That is unheard of. The company's got gross margins now. They plunged through the 50% level. They're running in the mid 40s now. They're looking for under 50% for the full year. Like I said, ugly, ugly print. There's nothing to like here, at least in the numbers. Nothing.
Well, I mean, is this environment or execution or both?
Well, they're blaming, I guess to their credit in print, they're blaming both, and it is both. We've been of the view, at least on the PC front, that not only have been over-earning in a strong market, we think they've been over-shipping, and so I think that's correcting. What I don't understand right now is that data center number, because we've had a lot of other reports from folks in like that supply chain, and people have been worried that data centers rolling over. Everybody else seems fine. This is the worst data center result that we've seen so far in the industry, and certainly the worst that I've ever seen in Intel's, at least in my history of covering the company, which was almost 15 years.
Wow. I'm looking at data center revs down 16%. The company's Pat Gelsinger saying, quote, "This quarter's results were below the standard we have set for the company and our shareholders. We must and will do better." The question to you is, how do they do better if it's as bad as you just said?
I mean, they're looking for a little bit of a rebound into Q4. You can kind of back into the Q4 guidance because they gave the full year in Q3. So, I mean, they did 29 cents in Q2. The street was at almost 70. They're guiding 35 cents in Q3. The street was at 82. They're guiding about 79 cents in Q4, still below the street, but it's a rebound. So we'll have to see how that looks. And then we'll see what things look like going forward. But I think people have to remember, Intel's on a multi-year transition, a multi-year journey. It's just barely getting started. This is just the beginning of it. So I don't know what this looks like as we go forward. I think the one thing, if you were looking for any sort of silver lining, and look, people were hoping that they would kitchen sink it. So maybe this is a kitchen sink. Maybe that's the hope. But I mean, it also feels like it could be going down the drain. Like, I don't know. Like, this is, it's not so good.
I mean, they haven't done that already. It feels like they've already thrown the oven and the refrigerator into the pile, and now they're supposed to kitchen sink it after everybody kind of knew what the challenges were. But let me ask you this: the passage of the CHIPS Act. Yeah. It's very meaningful for a company like Intel, which wants to build this plant, which it hasn't broken ground for yet, by the way, in Ohio. Is it meaningful to the bottom line?
Well, yes and no. So they've got plans to build, and without the subsidies, those plans will cost more. But in order to get this, remember, they're not just getting dollars and then putting it on their balance sheet and then buying back stock with. They actually have to put those dollars into the ground to get it. So they need to build those facilities. Results like this, you got to wonder: do they actually need them? Right? I don't know yet. So that's the issue with the CHIPS Act. It'll help, but their goals that they've laid out, assuming they stick to them, are grandiose. And they need the CHIPS Act in order to get it. But most of the dollars to build that is still going to be coming off of their operating results, not from the subsidies. The subsidies are a piece of it. They did cut their capex, by the way, this year. Yeah. So what sort of brings those longer term plans into question as well, I think.
Part of this is just they're just not in the hot space right now. I mean, Texan and NXP, they told you what's good, right? Autos, industrial, still holding up well. If you have more exposure there than you do to consumer PCs and the like that Intel does, you're just going to do better.
Agreed, but like I said, even within that context, I would have expected data center to be much stronger than it is. I don't know what's going on with the data centers, but it looks really bad, much worse than I would have.
I'm gonna look out for your reiteration of an underperform by morning. It sounds like it's coming. Stacy Rasgon, I appreciate your time as always.